For today's video, I'm gonna be turning this into this. But there's a twist to turn the cube into the dots pattern, starting from here. I'm gonna solve this cube into that pattern. Let's get started. The plan is to solve it into this exact pattern, with the white center in the middle of all the red pieces, the blue center in the middle of all the white pieces, and so on. Since I know how to solve a 4x4, I know the order of colors on the cube. I just have to remember that red goes around white and yellow goes around green. Then I'll be able to solve everything else. This is the scramble that I'm going to be solving into the dots pattern. Let's start inspection. Alright, so around white needs to go red. So here we go. Alright, so red goes here, white goes around blue, which means this is right, and then see, we have red here, yellow goes around green, so that's also right. Need another red edge. Green goes around orange, so we're gonna have that edge. The last red edge goes here. Green goes around orange, so we're gonna put that edge there. Yellow, green, red, that's the corner we need. There. That goes there, and the last red corner, insert there. First layer done. Now it only gets easier, hopefully. Alright, so white, green. That edge is there. I'm using beginner method because it's easiest to do piece by piece with beginner method. Alright, here we're gonna have to have green, yellow. Where's that? Right here. Oh, oops. I keep on making the edge flipped because I'm not thinking right. Here we need blue, yellow, so, and this one needs to be white, blue. Alright, so first two layers are done. Now let's see. Around yellow goes orange, so that means we have this L shape made. So in 2 look, we have this cross. It's the headlights. There we go. OLL done. And this is a Z perm, maybe? Yes. Oh, yep. There we go. 2 minutes, 21 seconds. Just to check, red goes around white. Green goes around orange, yellow goes around green, white goes around blue, blue goes around red, and orange goes around yellow. Perfect. And that is the Soon logo in the dots pattern. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. It would really mean the world to me if you did. Make sure to check out some of my other videos there and there.